Career options after 12th. Number 1 is medicine. The eligibility includes the candidate must have cleared his or her secondary examination with at least physics, chemistry, biology, English with at least 50% marks. Since 2016, all the university level and entrance level exam have been stopped for MBBS. Only one common entrance test is conducted by CBSE NEET, and some other tests like JIP, MER, AIIMS are required to qualify for this course. Career options may include he or she can work as a doctor, surgeon, or consultant in the same institution or join any other private or government health center. They can open their own health firm or set up a private clinic. Also, they can work in research laboratories. To perform well in this career is not just an individual compulsion, but also public and moral responsibility. Number 2 is engineering. Eligibility may include an aspiring candidate must have cleared his or her secondary examination with physics, chemistry, maths, and English. Next is a student must clear the entrance examinations, which are organized by every year on a national level, JEE state level, AKTU set for UP. Career options may include, depending on the specialization, a student gets a job such as BTech in computer technology can work in a software company as a software developer. Some of the other careers can include aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, civil, computer science and IT engineering, biotechnology, electronic and communication, chemical engineering, and many more. Third is BSc, that is Bachelor's of Science. Eligibility may include the basic BSc course eligibility is to have at least 55% marks in class 12 from any recognized board. The student have studied core subjects like maths, physics, chemistry and biology in 12th standard. Traditional courses of BSc: BSc PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, zoology, statistics and botany. Professional BSc courses may include BSc Agriculture, Animation, Aquaculture, Aviation, Biochemistry, Bioinformatics, Computer Science, Dietetics, Electronics, Fashion Technology, Food Technology, Forensic Science, Forestry, Mechanical Technology, Microbiology, Environment, Natural Science, Nursing, Nutrition, Physiotherapy, Psychology, Genetics, Information Technology and Home Science. Benefits after completing the BSc. After the completion of this course, students can work in various areas which include both science and non-science field. The job opportunities available for the students are not only great in terms of salary package but also a satisfying job experience. There are various opportunities available for the students after BSc. The students can go in a research field in some college. The students are recruited directly by the big organizations at a very good salary package. Some professional BSc courses like animation and IT open the door of animation and IT industry for the graduates. The other professional BSc field also have vast career opportunities. Apart from the research jobs, students can also work or get job in marketing, business and other technical fields. Science graduates also recruited in the bank sector to work as customer service executive. Students can also find employment in government sectors. Career options may include scientific assistant, research analyst, teachers, technical editor, lecturer, chemist, researcher, clinical research manager, consultant, educational institutes, hospitals, chemical industry, research firms, testing laboratories, and many more. Next is B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy. Eligibility includes an aspiring candidate must have cleared 10+2 with physics, chemistry and biology with at least 50% marks. Career options may include this course provides ample opportunities to enter into the research work, pharmaceutical company. Health and living have become an essential part of every community. The farm companies have seen huge growth. There is a great demand for candidates with a pharmaceutical background. They can also work as sales representative or medical representatives with big companies. Number 5 is Bachelor's in Computer Science, BCA. Eligibility may include an aspiring candidate must have cleared his or her secondary examination in any stream along with English with at least 45% marks. Some of the universities or colleges may require above 55% marks. Every different college, depending on its rank, has different cutoff marks for application. A student must meet the cutoff marks criteria for that college. Career options may include software developer, system analyst, hardware and networking engineer, network designer, system analyst. The software companies in India have a plenty of opportunities where they hire students from the computer application background. Companies such as Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, Wipro, HCL, and top recruiters of the student of BCA background. Number 6 is BBA, Bachelors of Business Administration. Its eligibility is an aspiring candidate must have cleared his secondary examination in any stream. Every different college, depending on its rank, has a different cutoff marks. A student must meet the criteria of that college. Every year, a huge number of students apply for this course irrespective of their previous stream. Because of this course content, the course is highly favorable to the recruiters' companies. Career options may include BBA alone will not be sufficient to get a job as most companies require MBA grades for their managerial positions. Pursuing an MBA post BBA will result in a very promising career. The career will depend on the specialization taken: HR, marketing, operations, finance, entrepreneur. Some colleges offer campus placement with starting salaries packaged at 3 lakh per annum even after completing BBA. Next is LLB, Bachelor of Law. The eligibility may include the candidate must have cleared his secondary examination in any stream. Every different college, depending on its rank, has a different cutoff marks. Some of the entrance examinations which are taken by thousands of students are LSAT, CLAT, and so on. Career options may include most LLB grades pursue a legal career after completing LLB. They practice law as lawyer, legal advisor, public prosecutor, attorney, lecturer, solicitor general, a tax lawyer. Some LLB students go into further studies and enroll for LLM course. LLB grades can also apply for state government and central government jobs where they have options to work in defense, contract, tax or labor law. Next is BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. The same eligibility criteria belongs to that LLB, and the career options may include financial analyst, BPO, bank, investment banking, human resource, accountant, stockbroker, event manager, account executive, and many more. Next is Bachelors of Arts, BA. Eligibility belongs to the same as the previous one's. Courses offers after BA. You can do MA, MBA, MJMC, MFA, LLB, Masters, PG Diploma in Digital Marketing, B.Ed, and Creative Writing courses. Career options may include content writer, book author, journalist, social activist, psychologist, foreign language expert, German, French, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, etc., and historian. After completing these graduation programs, you can also prepare for some of the competitive exams like UPSC, Railway, Banking, SSC, Army, and DANA, and Police. The confusion while choosing the best graduation course is natural because it decides your career. Everyone wants to join the best course that can provide the bright and settled career. Just ask yourself the question and understand your field of interest. Choose the course as per your interest. Know your values. Learn about yourself. Identify your skills. Research on career options. Link your major and your career options. Also, you can go with the career assessment tool with the help of counselor, and also you can research various mediums available on the internet. Thanks for watching the video.